Well, how that, Connor? Go ahead and take some time to work your video up. Alright, so the first thing we want to do is talk about those sunglasses. Now, when we met last time, we talked about 2-point perspective. Alright, having a vanishing point on each side, and then using this diamond shape to basically construct our glasses. Alright, now, if you do remember, this is the corner of the sunglasses. Alright, and if I come way over here, in the center of that diamond, this makes the edge of the sunglasses. Now from here, we'll kind of figure out where the center piece is. Now when working with perspective, you're going to have smaller to bigger because we are working with space. So you're not going to have a perfect solution. So this is going to be a little bit smaller than that, and that's perfect. That's what you want. Alright, then we're going to kind of sketch in the nose piece. Now this is just a rough sketch. This could change over time, so don't worry about that as of right now. We are going to put in a little slant here over above the nose piece, alright, but we do want to give a little bit of space, alright, and to do that we want to kind of guide to the opposite vanishing point. See how that is going this way, alright, and once I get that angle, then I will just sketch loosely in that part. Alright, now we know that sunglasses are not flat like this unless you're going to see like a 3D movie. Alright, so you want to round, and then you want to bring down and shape. Now make sure what you do to one side, you go ahead and work on the other. Alright, so right now kind of got this heavy outline, so I'll push this back just a little bit. I'll also shave some of that off. Alright, now from here we want to go ahead and get that the side of the part that actually attaches to your ears. So I know that this part here, and I'll erase out that old top section there and there, I know this is where the earpiece is going to connect, so I'm going to go ahead and take this edge back to the vanishing point. I'll skip down a little bit as well, start here, go to the vanishing point. Now this becomes much more of what you want to do with your sunglasses. You can have the piece really thin. I know you talked a little bit about putting some kind of design there, so I'm going to put my name, truncated I guess. I'll put Sturge there with an exclamation point. So put Sturge there, come back this way. Alright, then I know for comfort you're going to have a little bigger piece here on the end. So I'll go ahead and sketch that in. Made in the USA would work right there. Now I'm going to go back to the front one more time, and maybe the nose piece actually comes all the way down. Alright, really I don't, this is your glasses, so you get to do as you wish. Alright, and I'm going to break containment here just a little bit too. And we'll go that way as well. Give this a little top frame. Alright, so that kind of lays out a little bit of our sunglasses for us. Now if your sunglasses kind of puff out a little bit, alright, or have some kind of cool shape to them, then you would use a little bit of reflection line in there like that. Now I do want to check one thing, alright, because I may be able to see some of the other edge of the glass, so I'm going to bring that line straight across. Now I'm going to come up here to this corner just like here and connect, and I want to draw back this way just a little bit. Alright, now I see that I've got a little bit of space here, it's open, so I'm going to sketch in where this would be, but over there. Alright, it's going to be much smaller. I'm just going to darken that in for you. I'll darken this one in too. Alright, then at this point, really just want to worry about some shadowing. So we know that this part has shape. Alright, this is actually sitting on a surface of somewhere, so this is going to be pretty flat as far as the shading goes. So I'm going to just flatten that in, side to side movement, and then I'll use a little bit of erasing to tighten that up. And voila. Alright, so there we have, you know, a very generic looking set of sunglasses. Alright, so you can keep that information starting with a 2-point perspective and then building out the sketches that you would like. Alright man, hope this helps. I should get the 2-point perspective card to you shortly. Alright, take it easy man. Bye bye.